Learning how to read diagrams for the hexagon piece is super important if we want to finish the hexagonal blanket. Let's go through it together. The hexagon piece is mainly made up of these stitches: the magic ring, slip stitch, chain stitch, and double crochet, just like you can see in the bottom right corner. The hexagon piece has 6 sides and is made up of 5 rounds. Take a look at the image to follow along. We've got the first round, second round, third round, fourth round, and fifth round. We're going to crochet each round from the inside out. Once we finish all the rounds, the piece will be complete. Alright, first things first, we need to remember that every round is worked in a counterclockwise direction. Step 1. Start by making a magic ring. Step 2. Now, let's work on the first side of the hexagon. Crochet 3 chain stitches to begin, then make a double crochet, and follow it with 2 chain stitches. This will form the first side. Step 3. For sides 2 to 5, it's the same process. You'll crochet 2 double crochets and 2 chain stitches as one group. Repeat this group 5 times. Step 4. Once you've completed all 5 groups, finish off with a slip stitch to join the circle. And that's it, the first round is done. Did you get it? If not, don't worry. We'll walk you through the stitches step by step in the upcoming videos. So, let's get started on your crochet journey.